like that. In a republic. In a republic. In a republic. Unajua zamani ndio walikuwa nasema tunaona crown. Heshimu crown. In a republic, the government should respect the people first. Respect the people first. So when people go hungry, you tend to them. You don't tell them, respect the government of the day. Now respect the government of the day, ndugu yangu huko angekuwa mzima kama alikuwa anaendelea kwa sababu he really respected the government. Lakini akaenda. Na mimi ndio kafanya kesi hiyo. I tell you, you young politicians, I'm telling you the best of advice. And I'm telling, even Masinde Captain knows there. If you're a politician, try and calculate a brand of integrity and leadership and speaking for the truth. If in America now, there's something called Bidenomics. Na nakumbusha nasikia vile mmesema. You know, Biden is trying to tell Americans that, you know, life is better. But Americans are not feeling it. Hata useme tumejenga, tuko na 100,000 CPH. The question is, are people feeling better today compared to last year? Ama ni mdomo kutoka asubuhi. So I plead with you, let's build one country, let's go one direction, but the truth will always remain the truth. And that's why I respect the man we are sending off.